Have you ever thought about using clay on your hair when you're doing your cleansing treatments? Or have you been a little intimidated by the process of using clay because you're really not sure where to start? In this video today, I'm going to show you all about clay treatments for your hair that are really easy, really simple, that you can do right before you do any of your, even if your Ayurvedic hair treatments or masks or deep conditioning, when you want to really just a really good cleansing that kind of resets your hair. This is the right clay for you. So welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija and I'm the CEO and founder of this amazing brand that you love so much. I specialize in henna natural hair dyeing, healthy Ayurvedic hair care treatments and products, and I'm a henna artist that does gorgeous henna and even jaguar body art. And so today we're going to be talking about the benefits of using clay in your hair. What's amazing about the clay that we carry here at Hennasooq, it's the Moroccan Rhassoul clay, which comes straight from the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. And what also makes our clay in particular really unique is that it's very finely sifted, like it's just smooth and creamy, which I'm going to show you today just how smooth and creamy this Rhassoul clay gets. And not only that, but we have a few all-in-ones for you guys that are like, I'm not sure, I want to try something that's ready and balanced and has all the extras that I need right in it. Well, we got these 3 Rhassoul masks ready for you guys right here. It's really cool though actually about the Moroccan Rhassoul clay. And did you know that there's also 2 other clays that are mineral rich that come from that same region? We used to carry it. We no longer have it, unfortunately. It didn't do as well as I would have liked to, but maybe I might consider carrying it in again if I get like, some more requests for it and you guys are really interested in it. But what you can get from there is what they call brown clay, which is really the Rhassoul clay. It's gray after it dries, of course, but it is brown. It's a little bit darker originally. And then you have a red clay, and then you have a green clay, and it all comes from the same area. But each of those clays has different benefits. The Rhassoul clay in particular has natural saponins that make it cleansing, like really, like sometimes when you mix it, you see like little bubbles kind of occurring, like, ooh, okay, it's working its thing, working that magic. And the green and the red clay typically are used like for the face and the skin. I remember when I have been to the Moroccan spas before and you just like put all that clay all over your body and just like soak in the steam. It is so amazing. So not only is it amazing for your hair and all those benefits and cleansing, I mean, I put it all the way through from head to toe. It is amazing for your skin as well. So it's a really good multi-purpose clay. So this clay right here is incredibly cleansing and it is a reset for your hair. And not only that, it's very gentle on the hair strands. It detoxifies your scalp, just getting it like rejuvenated and freshened up, especially during like this heat right now and all like this, oils and sweating and all those things that are going on in your scalp. This is perfect for you to do a good reset for not only your hair, but also your scalp. Because it's mineral rich, it nourishes your hair so much. And it leaves your hair feeling just so smooth and silky and shiny. It really does. And it has been known to treat eczema and psoriasis of the scalp. So, I mean, just a mineral rich, natural, from the earth, just cleansing clay that is so good that you guys really are gonna love if you don't already love it already. And I wanna hear from you. What is your favorite way to use this clay, or is it an all-in-one? Are you adding like moisturizing oils and essential oil? Like, how are you playing with this clay? What is the best way that you like to use it on your hair? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts, your experiences. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, you got to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my great videos that I have coming out every week. We got videos coming for you on Thursdays and Sundays. So, 2 to 3 times a week, sometimes we surprise you. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss anything. And especially the surprises in the next couple of months. Starting now and all the way through to the end of the year, I have so many surprises for you coming because of our new location in Columbia, Maryland, the new website. Things are happening and it's happening quick and it's so gorgeous. So I don't want you guys to miss any of that. So thank you for watching. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.